Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, and today I've got something seriously valuable for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning up $500 or more using ChatGPT. And no, you don't need to be a programmer, coder, or AI expert to pull this off. This one is perfect if you're someone who's always wanted to write a book but didn't know where to start. Well, now you don't have to. With ChatGPT, you can outline, draft, and even title your entire ebook in a matter of hours. With the explosion of faceless YouTube channels and AI-generated videos, there's a huge demand for high-quality video scripts. If you head over to Fiverr or Upwork and search for YouTube scriptwriter, you'll find people charging anywhere from $50 to $100 per script. All you have to do is offer your services, and when you land a client, head to ChatGPT. Provide it with a clear prompt like, write a 1,500-word YouTube video script about AI tools for small businesses in a conversational tone. ChatGPT will give you a fully structured, ready-to-use script within seconds. If you manage to complete 6 to 8 scripts a month at $75 each, that's your $500 right there. Pro tip, offer extra services like creating SEO-optimized video titles, descriptions, and thumbnail ideas to boost your earnings even further. Here's how it works. First, ask ChatGPT to give you a 10-chapter outline on a topic you're interested in. Number 1, freelance writing for blogs, websites, and email marketing. Number 2, creating and selling prompt packs on marketplaces like PromptBase. Number 3, writing and selling ebooks through Kindle, Gumroad, or Pay. Number 4, offering social media content creation services to influencers and small businesses. And number 5, writing video scripts for YouTubers, especially faceless channels. Each of these methods is beginner-friendly, requires zero upfront investment, and can be done completely remotely from your home, like the Beginner's Guide to Keto Dieting or How to Start an Online Business. And honestly, if you take action today, you could be landing your first paying client by this weekend. Hit that like button. Smash subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications because I've got a ton of AI side hustle videos and money-making guides coming your way. Drop a comment below letting me know which of these 5 methods you're most excited to try first. I read every single comment, and I might even feature yours in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. So what are you waiting for? Jump in, experiment, and find which one of these income streams suits your style and schedule best. Once you have your outline, ask ChatGPT to write 800 to 1,000 words for each chapter. Review it, edit where necessary, and once it's done, you have a complete ebook ready to sell. You can publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, Gumroad, or Payhip. Now, let's talk numbers. If you price your ebook at $5 to $15 and manage to sell 50 copies in a month, and trust me, people buy ebooks every day, you're already at $500 in profit. It's one of the easiest passive income ideas out there right now. Bonus tip: you can create a free professional-looking book cover using Canva.com. You literally just need your phone, an internet connection, and a bit of consistency. Businesses and influencers are constantly in need of fresh, engaging content for their social platforms, and you can offer to create that for them using ChatGPT. Here's the play. Set up a service where you offer things like 30 Instagram captions for $30 or 20 motivational tweets for $20. Then, use ChatGPT to generate catchy, creative captions and quotes tailored to your client's brand. For example, you could ask ChatGPT, create 30 witty captions for a coffee shop Instagram page, and within seconds, you'll have a list ready to deliver. Market your services on Fiverr, Instagram, or Facebook groups. If you manage 5 to 10 clients per week, you'll easily hit your $500 target. You can even upsell by offering to create simple Instagram stories or CapCut video templates for an extra fee. Social media content creation is fast, easy, and highly in demand. I'm going to break down 5 practical, easy-to-start, and completely legitimate ways people around the world are already using ChatGPT to make real money from home. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get straight into it. All right, let's kick things off with one of the easiest and fastest methods: freelance writing. Did you know that platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and PeoplePerHer have thousands of people making a full-time income offering writing services? Essentially, this involves creating high-quality, Effective prompts for AI models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or DALL-E, which other people or businesses can use to generate specific types of content. The crazy part is, people are paying real money for these prompts on marketplaces like PromptBase. You can find prompt bundles for things like Instagram captions, viral video ideas, marketing emails, or even resume writing assistance. Here's what you do. Go to promptbase.com, browse through popular prompt listings, and get a sense of what's selling. Then, start creating your own prompt packs. For example, create 30 viral Instagram captions for a fitness influencer, or generate 50 motivational quotes for entrepreneurs. Package those up and sell them for $10 to $30 each. If you sell 20 prompt packs in a month, you're easily pocketing $500. It's simple, creative, and requires no investment at all. The good news is, you don't have to be an expert writer anymore. ChatGPT can do most of the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. Head over to one of these freelance platforms. Create a simple gig offering, blog post, writing, website content, or even social media captions. Now, when a client places an order, you simply go to ChatGPT and give it a detailed prompt. For example, write a 1,000-word blog post about the benefits of electric cars for a general audience. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a solid draft for you. You can then review it, make a few adjustments, and deliver it to your client. It's that simple. On average, freelancers charge anywhere between $50 to $300 for a blog post, depending on the length and topic. If you manage to complete 5 to 10 of these a week at $50 each, you're already looking at $250 to $500 right there. And the best part? It gets faster and easier the more you do it. Now let us move on to method number 2, and this one is blowing up right now. It's called prompt engineering. Okay, method number 3 is creating and selling ebooks using ChatGPT. Moving on to method number 4, and this one is perfect for social media lovers. And finally, method number 5, this is one of my personal favorites, and it's seriously scalable. YouTube video script writing. So, to quickly recap, here are the 5 ways you can start earning up to $500 using ChatGPT starting this month. The only thing standing between you and your first $500 is getting started. And hey, if you found value in this video, do me a huge favor.